One of the things that I think is really interesting about the cloud is this concept of, I call them island VPCs. You could call them disconnected VPCs or VNets. You could call them, isolated VPCs or VNets, but they're these, network containers that you didn't connect to the corporate network. In some respects, that's a good security posture, right? Like,
Yes.
if it's not connected, we don't have the ability to have lateral movement. But the other problem with that is, oftentimes when those happen, you use the same default IP addressing space. And so you might have 50 VPCs that are all 10/8, which means you're never going to be able to connect that thing to your corporate network, right? And
Exactly.
And so we were very thoughtful when we built Distributed Cloud Firewall to make sure that we can address those kinds of situations as well. And we're doing some additional enhancements to the workflow around enabling NAT and enabling egress security in the product to simplify those workflows in Azure in addition to AWS. I really think, one of the things that I will be the most excited about when we look back on Aviatrix and the impact that we have, long-term in the environment is I think we have a chance to fundamentally make a difference in the security posture of cloud workloads by regaining control of the perimeter and getting that deperimeterization word out of our heads and think about, no, it's not an impossible problem to solve.